Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to be installing trunk struts or shocks on this 7-gen Maxima Maxima. This is the 2014 that I brought for dirt cheap. There was nothing wrong with it. He just was selling parts off of it. So if you watch the previous videos, you got brand new AC condenser, everything's reattached. So front end's pretty much done. I just gotta finish filling coolant. I forgot how much coolant this thing takes. I gotta get another jug because it didn't fill it up. Let's see. So I'm gonna go to Nissan and buy another jug and fill that in. I gotta clean the engine bay. So nothing's pretty much left for the front. So I went to the junkyard and pulled these. I went to the junkyard for my boy Randy. We got a spoiler for his Nissan Rogue and we attached it. And I saw Nissan Maxima, saw a couple of them, so I pulled some parts. So there's some battery in this car. Don't mind none of this because I'm going to be swapping the dash from this Maxima into mine's because that's in better condition. So let me get this out the way. And this is parts, the wood grain parts I pulled from my Max to put into this one. So to let the seat down, just push down on this tab. And we are going to have to crawl into here. And we're going to have to pull that latch to open the trunk. So there we go. Now we can go back to the outside. Now I wish my Maxima had this. My Maxima doesn't have the rear folding seats. It just got the little door in the middle. So, pop the hood. So this is where the hood struts or shocks go to. They should be labeled what side is what, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not seeing anything on here. It just says up. Let me see. Yeah, I thought it'll have what side is what. But either way, so it says which direction's up, so you just push it in. It'll click into place. Same thing for the front. If you ever seen the hood struts, it's pretty much the same thing, just shorter. Let me switch hands. Let me put that down. Alright, so that's in. Now we can do the other, and then I'll show you how to remove it if you ever had to replace it. So, put that in. Turn this slightly. Clip it in. So if you ever had to remove it, it's the same thing as the hood. Just pull outwards. Oh, let me get a different one. Alright. So, let's get behind there, pull it back. Let me switch hands. Yeah. So all you do is pull back on this spring clip and then just pull out. All right, so just pull back here. Pull that spring clip and then just twist and it'll come out. I'm trying not to get in the way of the camera. And voila. And then repeat the same thing for the bottom. And voila. And then to reinstall it, just do it reverse. Hopefully I wasn't in the way of the camera. And that's how you reinstall it. So that's how you replace and reinstall trunk shocks on the 7-gen Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.